What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize, how to personalize the mouse pointer into Windows, into a very simple way. First thing, click into the like button to like this video, share this content with a friend of yours, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. After, click into this initializing panel, into the search box we're gonna type mouse settings, just like this, mouse. Click. Scroll down just a little bit, and into related settings we have mouse pointer and touch. Here is where the fun begins. We can customize the mouse pointer in the case that we wish, okay? Just like this, okay? Then you can change the color of the mouse if you wish as well. Then you can play with the size of the mouse in the case that you want as well. Just like this. Make it very big or smaller. All up to you and to your needs, okay? I like the mouse a little bigger, just like this. Then we can customize the pointer image. You can customize every single image that you wish. You can change into mouse indicator. What is indicator? If you type Ctrl, you're gonna be able to see this, okay? What else? Mouse pointer trails. Here is the option. You can customize the trail size as well. All up to you. And enable mouse pointer shadow. This is all up to you, okay? We have touch indicator, in case that you want, and extra options for related settings. Just like this. Primary, scrolling, and extra options. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!